After finishing the top layer here, yellow, now you look at all the sides. They are all different colors. So in order to make it equal, first we need to concentrate on the two corners to make sure that they are of the same color. So you just need to follow this step. Look at the yellow color. Here, move here, then move here. You see, you just concentrate on the yellow where it goes. Turn the other way around, pull it back up, pull it here, see, and put it down, and put it here, and it goes up. See? This. Look, they are two the same color. So now we do the same thing again. Okay, but this have to be placed opposite. That means it's opposite. So same thing. 1, 2, 3, then 4. You see, you just concentrate on the yellow. See, just make sure that the yellows are monitored. Now see, green, orange, orange, blue, blue, red, red. So what we do is, you see, now we have balance of 1, 2, 3. Okay, look carefully. Since it's a blue color, you just look at the blue. Okay, you turn around and take the blue over here, and you turn it down, and you turn the other way around, and you take it back up, then you turn this blue, and see, now you're almost finished. You just turn, and that's it. This is a complete puzzle. Blue, white, red. That's it.